Welcome to session number 12, word power made easy. Now let us study origin and related words. Again I am saying anthropologist. Anthropologist. Anthro means mankind and logos means science or study. So if somebody is studying the mankind, development of a mankind, then he is known as a anthropologist. Greek word astron means star and nomos means arrangement, law and order. So astronomer, astro means star and nomos means arrangement, law or order. So astronomer is interested in the arrangement of star and other celestial bodies. So look at the photo, you can understand the different position of the stars and its understanding is known as astronomer. Astronomical also means large. So galaxy is very large. So you can use astronomical to explain something which is very big. So astronomical size of depth means very big size of depth. Astrology, astro means star and logos means study. So astrology means study or science of star and their influence on the human life. So if you go to any horoscope reader, that person is known as an astrologer. So that person is actually studying the stars and their influence on your life. Astronaut, we know astro means star and naut means sailor. Sailor means to move around. So astronomer means a sailing among stars. So this is the photograph of the astronomer. Cosmonaut, cosmo means universe and ship. So he is known as cosmonaut. Aster, aster is a star-shaped flower like this. Or asterisk, you put an asterisk, so you put like this. You make a star like this. So astrophysics is a branch of physics dealing with the heavenly bodies. So heavenly bodies means sun, moon, star. So all these things, if you are studying the physics of it, it is known as astrophysics. So this is a photograph of the astrophysics. Disaster. Now this means against and aster means star. So something against star means not good. If your star is not in your favor, it means you are going to meet with the unfortunate things. So disaster, this means against. So when stars are not favorable, then it is known as a disasters. Nomos, we already know it is arrangement, order or laws, and astronomy means the arrangement of the star. Autonomy, auto means self. So when you yourself is taking care of yourself, then it is known as an autonomy. You are not dependent on anybody. You are independent of everybody. So it is known as autonomy. Metronome, metro plus nome. Metro means measurement of time and nome means arrangement. The earth and its life. So geologist. So here geo means earth and logos means science. So if somebody is studying the earth like this, then this person is known as geo means earth, logist means somebody who is studying the earth. So geologist. Geometry, geo means earth, metron means measurement. So geometrician, a person who is expert in measuring the earth. So geo means earth and metron means measurement. So this is the different symbols and it is done by the geometrician. Geography, geo means earth and graph means when you are making a drawing like this, if you are making a map like this, so you are actually drawing the earth. So this is known as geography. George, in George, GEO means earth and ergon means work. The earth worker, or you can say farmer. Autopsy, Autopsy. Auto means examination of the corpse to discover the cause of death. So if somebody will die, then the doctor is going to study and understand the cause of his death. So that process is known as autopsy. Popularly in India we say postmortem, but actually the meaning of postmortem is autopsy. Then biopsy. If you are alive and doctor is taking some tissue from your living body and studying that tissue, then it is known as biopsy. Botanist. Here boton comes from the word plant. Here boton means plant. So botany means when you study the plant, when you study the plants, then you are known as botanist. Zoologist. Zoologist is somebody is be mingle up with the animals and try to be good with him. So that person is a geologist. Zoologist. Zodiac. This is the sign of zodiac. Zodiac means a diagram used to astrology of parts of sun, moon and planet. So this particular diagram will tell you the position of sun, moon and other planet. Then that diagram is known as zodiac. Anthropos. Anthropos means mankind. So anthropology. Logos means science. Geology. Astron means star. Astrology. Nuitates means sailor. So astronomy. Astronomy. Disaster. Nomos. Astronomy. Auto. So autonomy. Metron. Earth. Geology. To write. Graphology. Bios. Biology. Optics. Botany and zoologist. Anthropology means study of the human development. So when you are studying the science of human development, so anthropology. Astronomy. Astronomy means science of heavens. Astrology. Astrology means a theory that influence of planets and the star on the human events. Geology. Geology means science of composition of earth. Biology. Biology means science of living matter. Geometry. Geometry means science of earth mapping. Botany. Botany means science of living matter. And one minute. Botany. Geometry means mathematical science of figure shapes, and so this is 6. And here what we did, no, science of living matter means botany. Zoology. Zoology means science of animal life. And geography. Geography means Science of earth mapping. Science of earth mapping. So this is botany is wrong. Are anthropological studies concerned with the plant life? Anthropology is study of the mankind. So no. Astronomical numbers extremely small. Astronomically is used to express something very big. So no. Is an astrologer interested in the time and date of your birth? Yes, because the astrology is the horoscope related and it is trying to understand the impact of planet on your life. So yes. The nautical maneuvers carried on at a sea. Yes. The disastrous earthquake take huge toll of life and property. Disaster means when the star is not favorable. So yes. Do geological investigations sometimes determine where oil is to be found? So geology is the study of earth. So yes. Does a geometrician work with mathematics? Yes. If a geographical shift in population sometime affects the economy of an area, of course when the people are migrating, then that population, their economy will either increase or decrease. So yes. Does biographical novels deals with the life of a real person? Yes. Is botany a biological science? Yes. Is United States politically autonomous? Yes. Is biopsy performed on a dead body? No. Biopsy is going to perform on the living body. So no. Autopsy is actually performed on the dead body. The metronome used in the study of mathematics? No. Is autopsy performed to correct a surgical problem? No. Autopsy is actually finding out the cause of the death. So no. Does an author write autobiography about someone else's life? Auto means self. So when you are writing about yourself, then it is known as autobiography. So autobiography is related to self. So answer is no. Pertaining to the science of animal. Pertaining to the science of animal. So zoological. Pertaining to the science of plants. So botanical. Adjective we have to use. So botanical. Dissections of the corpse to determine the cause of the death. So autopsy. Story of one's life, self-written. Autobiography. Pertaining to the science of all living matter. Biology. Science of measurement of figure. Geometry. Pertaining to the science of earth composition. Geology. Branch of physics dealing with the composition of the celestial bodies. Astrophysics. Astro means star and physics. Self-shaped flower. Aster. Asterisk. Very high number. Astronomical. Science of heavenly bodies. Astronomy. Science of the development of mankind. Anthropology. Person who believes human events are influenced by the parts and the sun and the moon planets. So astrologer. Microscopic examination of living tissue. So it is known as biopsy. Self-government. Autonomy. Time measurement of music. Metronome. Voyager among stars. So astronaut. Not means ship. Traveler through the universe. Cosmonaut. When universal is coming, then you have to use cosmo. Great misfortune, disaster. Mapping of earth, so it is known as geography. Self-governing, autonomous. Diagram used in astrology, zodiac. Pertaining to ship, sailing, etc. So pertaining to ship and sailing, so it is known as nautical. Star shape symbol, asterisk. Story of person life, biography. So here we are ending this session number 12. Again I tell you, I am going to put a PDF file in the description box. You have to download and print the PDF file and try to fill up all the details which is given in the PDF file, and that is the way you can practice about the different vocabulary and you can master the vocab. Thank you very much.